you have a couple of different options for the next step, the easy way and the correct way. Now, this seal is really important. So this helps keep water out of your compartment, water that can come down between your windowsill and down through your door. You start blowing holes in this or don't seal it well, and you can potentially start to develop leaks into your cabin, start soaking through your carpet because water will be coming through your door. So I've seen people cut this. I think it's a terrible idea. If you need to replace this whole piece, I've had to do it in an E83 X3, which are famous for these leaking. I've had to do it. They're not cheap, and it has this big rubber kind of glue material that helps hold it all down all the way around, and it's sealed all the way around. Well, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get to the door actuator, so we have to get into this section right here. I probably shouldn't even suggest that you could cut this. Obviously you could just cut it because we're going to pull the Torx bolts that hold the actuator in, these three right here, and then back it out of here. That's really not the right way to do it.